We have pro trader Tim Biggam of Delta Derivatives with us now for the Trader Rundown. Tim, which way is the big money going in this market?
I think it's going back and forth, Angie, depending on really what comes out almost on the vaccine front here. So we're seeing the S&P 500 kind of as a surrogate for the reopen trade when there's more promising news. And then when there's maybe a little less promising or negative news coming out, that gets staunched and they rotate into the NASDAQ kind of stay-at-home names here. So we're really seeing this kind of, back and forth here. Market kind of going nowhere, grinding slowly higher. But I think we'll continue to see that, although we're entering into a bullish seasonal period here at year end. So that may provide a little bit of a tailwind for stocks generally going forward.
What is your trade of the day?
Yeah, seeing one, certainly the electric car manufacturers, the NIOs and XP EVs of the world have been on a huge move higher. SOLO, which is a lower price one, electric and autonomous, saw a big repeat unusual call buying in the out of the money December 7.5 calls. We see now about 30,000 over the past 3 or 4 days trade. Implied volatility lifted big time. I'm jumping in, selling those very expensive options, buying the stock. It's a low price stock, so really doesn't take a lot to hold this trade. So doing a simple covered call trade, positioned bullishly with that big call buyer out there, but taking advantage of the fact that they lifted implied volatility almost 50 IV points, which means these options have become really expensive. I like to sell really expensive, hedge with the stock, which certainly doesn't have that IV component to it.
Thanks as always, Tim.
You bet, anytime, Edge. Take care.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.